today's episode of Eating Out Vegan, we are in Huntington, West Virginia, and we are going to Nawab for some Indian cuisine. You know, I guess I didn't actually check if you could dine in. We just decided to do pickup. Our order should be ready now. I'm gonna run inside and pick it up, and then we're gonna find somewhere to stop at a picnic table. Ordered a lot of food.
You should have brought the menu.
We should have brought the menu so we could say what everything is. Oh, that looks like samosas.
What's the other appetizer?
Ooh, I don't know. Delicious looking.
Oh, it might have been that thing that's spinach.
I'm gonna have to go get the menu. We got so much food.
One of these might be rice right here at that. Sorry. Rice. A couple of these are rice.
We should have
So there's
rice.
like 1, 2, probably 3 dishes, some breads and appetizers.
Nice.
I should be filming it while you're doing it.
First thing that I decided to try is the eggplant barta. Eggplant and garlic, delicious. I love this. We also got basmati rice to go along with it. This is the basmati rice that comes along with most of their meals there. I love it to eat this just plain. And I'm using this special spoon that my nephew Solomon made for me. Just seriously delicious by itself. Up next, we get some samosas. Also, at Nawab, they will make things vegan that are not vegan. They will adjust the level of spiciness and the oil for you. It's one of my favorite appetizers that they offer. I love the combination of the potatoes and the peas and how it's fried and mashed together. So delicious. One of my favorites. This is the chana masala with chickpeas, and I have already taken a couple bites of it. I think we got it just medium. I feel like it's a little spicy. Such a good flavor. Even though it's maybe a little too spicy for me, I don't want to stop eating it. That's why I had to get some of the roti to go with it, and their roti is also vegan. This is the vegetable jalfrezi. It is a delicious blend of carrots and peppers. There's some onions and peas. What a great flavor. I love going to Nawab anytime I get a chance. It's not that close to us, but I always think it's a great treat. Last, I have the vegetable pakora. This is also one of the appetizers that they offer. Light and crispy, so delicious. We got a wide variety of food here. I feel like we ordered everything that naturally came vegan on their menu, but like I said earlier, they will custom make things to your preference. I hope you give them a try. They're in Huntington, West Virginia. Thanks for stopping by. Please stop by next week. Like, subscribe, and follow us. Here's the Ohio River in Ohio.
We're in Kentucky.
Yeah, windy and chilly by the river. Beautiful place to stop.
Ain't